Hi, welcome to TON News, your source for the latest updates from the TON ecosystem. Let's dive right in. First up, Galxe has teamed up with TON to take your DeFi adventures to the next level. Galxe has integrated with the open network to help you explore innovative experiences within the TON's ecosystem. To celebrate, we're kicking off the TON Trials, an exploratory DeFi experience. This exclusive event is designed to introduce the possibilities of the dynamic TON ecosystem through unique tasks and exciting rewards. Get ready for a 4-week DeFi adventure with a $50,000 reward pool for top performers, plus individual reward pools for each project, offering multiple ways to earn a grand total of $150,000 in rewards. Complete projects on-chain tasks featuring, among others, StoneFi, DDoS, BMO, Swap Coffee, and Aqua Protocol to earn points based on your activity, liquidity, and volume. The general leaderboard tracks your progress, and each project has its own rewards. Be sure to check each project's specific reward structure. Ready to get started? Check the link in the video description to explore the full list of guests, start your journey through TON's DeFi space, and climb the leaderboard. Up next, a groundbreaking reveal. The TON Teleport BTC Whitepaper. We are excited to announce that the TON Teleport BTC Whitepaper is now publicly available. This detailed document outlines the fundamental principles, technical mechanisms, and future vision of TGBTC. It offers a deep dive into the architecture that enables a trustless cross-chain bridge between Bitcoin and TON. Dive into key concepts such as transaction confirmation, processing, TGBTC minting, and upcoming system enhancements, each designed to unlock new opportunities and drive the growth of the TON ecosystem. TON Teleport BTC captures the essence of Bitcoin by eliminating intermediaries and enabling decentralized, trustless transactions. By combining the liquidity of Bitcoin with the innovative DeFi capabilities of the TON blockchain and leveraging Telegram's massive user base, TON Teleport BTC introduces TGBTC, a tokenized Bitcoin that enhances its utility by preserving security and accessibility. With TGBTC, Bitcoin users can seamlessly transfer and use their assets within the TON ecosystem. Through a process called peg in and peg out, users can move their Bitcoin without the need for centralized services. This boosts decentralization and enhances the security of the transaction. Why TON Teleport BTC? Earning yield. Bitcoin holders can maximize their assets by using TGBTC in TON's DeFi ecosystem, including opportunities for staking, lending, and yield farming. Easy liquidity. Bitcoin's liquidity is now available within the TON network through TGBTC, allowing for smoother collateralization and more efficient yield farming. Lower fees. Transactions with TGBTC are significantly more affordable, up to 10 times cheaper than standard JET tokens, making Bitcoin integration on TON cost-effective and accessible for everyone. Trustless and decentralized. TON Teleport BTC operates without the need for centralized control. The system is completely trustless and permissionless, ensuring no single entity can interfere with transactions. Advanced security. By utilizing both Bitcoin and TON blockchains and relying on validators as oracles, TGBTC transactions are highly secure, safeguarding the integrity of Bitcoin transfers across networks. Full transparency. Each TGBTC token is fully backed one-to-one by Bitcoin, ensuring transparency and allowing users to independently verify that their assets are fully supported. With TON Teleport BTC, Bitcoin is seamlessly integrated into the TON ecosystem, offering more utility, enhanced security, and greater access to DeFi services without compromising the core values of decentralization and transparency. Learn more about the white paper and join the Telegram channel to stay updated. Both links are in the description. And finally, the New Year season of the Open League is here. New Year season Open League campaign is kicking off with a $1.5 million reward pool for active TON users. Check the link in the description to request your participation badge and dive into TON DeFi to rack up points for the airdrop. Additionally, the competition is heating up as DeFi project battle for the highest liquidity or volume generated during the season. Track their performance on the leaderboards. You have got 20 days to earn your share of the New Year's rewards. That's it for today's updates. Stay tuned for more exciting news from the TON ecosystem, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.